Hello guys, this video will guide you how to replace crank seal in Mercedes E63. This car is the E63 and model year is the 2017 and its model number is 213 E63. So this car is coming with this engine M177 V8. So for removing the transmission, first remove the exhaust system and then just disconnect the propeller shaft from this transmission. Don't remove complete propeller shaft, then you will get the space to remove this transmission. So these are the connector of transfer case. After that, just you have to disconnect also front propeller shaft. And in this car, the big is the difficult to remove this one bracket on the top of the transmission housing. Just you have to disconnect. And these are the coolant line of the transmission, and oil cooler also you have to just disconnect. These are the lock for this transmission fluid line, that one connected to the air cooler to this transmission. After removing the lock, just little bit rotate, then it will come. Because of the dust, its hose pipe is just stuck between this line. This is the cooler of this transmission, also you have to disconnect completely. After disconnecting this cooler, just support this hydraulic jack, and then you can see here no any torque converter bolt of this car. So just remove the housing bolt, dual mass flywheel, then you will get this. And its transmission torque converter is also this car different. Dual clutch. So whenever you are removing this torque converter, please don't remove from this transmission, because they have lock and spring inside. So give one support and equal of this surface of this transmission, then you can remove easy. Otherwise it's difficult to remove transmission, because sometimes torque converter is stuck inside this transmission, then it is making the problem. So here just lose the catalytic converter, then you will get the space for this propeller shaft. And from rear side you can see here the wiring bracket also you have to remove. In this car they have bracket. So this is the dual mass flywheel in this car, and here you can see no any bolt for this torque converter. And these are the bracket, you can see here E10 screw, it's holding this bracket up. So wiring bracket. Just little bit down from the backside of the transmission, then you will